Hello, hello, Enhancement 9 today. Let's just get right to it. So, product detail view, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to that and show that it contains the additional images from the database. For this particular example, I did the catapult with the basic view, and we also have the additional images showing that they do load. See the valid HTML, green, and valid CSS, also green. Show that the full-size image is no larger than 500. So we see that the natural size is 500 by 343, and that actually applies if we change the image. Then that the thumbnail images are no larger than 200 by 200. And we see the same thing. This one's 200 by 169, and this last one is 190 by 200. I did toss in just a little bit of JavaScript so that you could click them and it would change this display here, showing the full-size image. Just because that's a functionality that I think is nice, kind of goofy, and just fun to add in. The last step is to show the images table. And show that there are two versions of each image. So here we are in the images table. We have two versions of each image. With the exception of bomb, but that's because I was tinkering with that. I can fix that pretty easily. But in our products folder, we have the same. Thanks.